Hey guys, welcome to the 24th episode of my drift life. Today is a really exciting day because I'm putting the new wheels on. So it's really excited and I'm gonna put it on right now for you guys. Let's see the finished look first. So first, let me walk through with you guys what I have been done and how I get to this point for this wheel setup, including the wheel spec, the tire spec, do I include spacers inside, etc. So I have been research online and I finally pull my triggers on the ESR wheels because first they have a lot of different choices and I end up with 70-inch times 8.5, and it is not much of this spec from the other brand except the really expensive the Works wheels. But to be honest, like I use this car for drifting, I don't need to use the wheels for that because every scratches and bend while I'm drifting by using those wheels, I'm not going to get my money back. But this ESR wheel, actually they're not cheap wheels. They are still like 800 bucks for 4 wheels and they're really good quality as you guys can see. So I even mock it up from the car without putting the tires on and I really like it already. So I'm sure once the tire is mounted, it's way better. So I keep going, keep waiting till the end of the week. Now it's time to install the wheels on the car. First, I'm trying to jack up the car, remove and wheels one by one. I'm gonna do the front ones first. So after taking out the front wheels and trying to put the first wheels on, and I already adjust the ride height because the previous one is a little bit too low. So I have raised about 2 to 4 inches, I don't remember. And so as you guys can see, it's rubbing the caliper. Luckily, I already ordered a 20 mm spacer because I feel like from the previous wheels it's already very tucked in, so I think it's safe to prepare the spacer for it. And once it's on, and I learned this trick from the other YouTubers, without putting it down to the ground, they can actually use the jack to push some forces and see the mock-up after you put the wheels on and how it will look on the ground with the fenders. And that looks perfect from the rear. So currently the car is running a coilover but non-adjustable arms, and coilover is only on the front, the rear is actually lower spring, and I'm actually can go a little bit more aggressive on the front end of the wheels, but I heard that if you go lower to the car, it just makes you harder for drifting because it will easier to rubbing things. And I'm also never drifting this car, so I don't want to ruin it before I can actually enjoy it. So that's why I want to stay as it is for a while. Once I have the full adjustable kit and the angle kit, and I can play around and see what's the best setup in practical and also looking. But currently I'm really satisfied from how it looks and I really enjoy it. I have a big smile on my face after I install all those wheels and put it on the ground, and I'm actually sitting down there and take a look at it for almost an hour. So there you have it. If you guys have any question of this setup you want to talk about specifically, feel free to leave on comments, and I'm happy to help you research and maybe I can answer it for you. And that is another mode for this weekend. Is actually I put new badges because the old one is kind of worn out, and I just replace it. It's like 10 bucks from Amazon, and you can do it yourself anytime. So that's pretty much it for this weekend. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really like the new look of the wheel, and I'm keep going to build contents for my drift build. So I think currently my exterior is almost there, but I'm still have some polish work for bumpers and some wheel panels. But definitely I'll keep building it, and I will keep moving into interior in the future and start molding the angles as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a comment, subscribe, like it if you like it. I'll see you guys next time.